This YouTube channel used to make me 5k per month from just one short per day. The last month, it made me $80. And I want that income back. So I've decided to stop being lazy and try and revive this page to prove to you that it's not that hard to get a page to make him 5k per month. And to make the challenge even harder, we only have 30 days to get there. Okay, so the first thing that I've done is I've analyzed some competitors. And in doing so, I've realized that I need to change up the content that I'm making on this page, as what I was doing before is no longer going to work as it is outdated. So I need to improve the quality of the videos and the style of editing. And to be honest, I am pretty lazy, so I'm going to hire an editor to help do this for me. Before recording this, I already found my editor and I've gotten a call with him, and I've given him the video idea, the script, and the style of editing that I want, so hopefully he can cook up a banger for me. Okay, so I've got the video back, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Now, I will say that it's not perfect, which it is never really going to be for a new video in a new editing style, but it's fine because we can work on that and make tweaks as we go. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this video, and I guess we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's now been about a day since we posted that first short, and it is at 1,600 views. But to be honest, the stats on this video are not great so far, which means that one, we can take a look at the video idea that I found, and maybe it just wasn't a good video idea to work for our particular page. And two, it also means that we can take a look at the video and see where things need to be improved by taking a look at the swipe rate, which basically tells us if the hook is good or not, and then also by looking at this graph. So as you can see, the swipe rate is pretty low at 71.5%. We want this swipe rate to be hitting around 80% for a video to have a decent chance of going viral on my page normally. And then the other thing that also isn't great is the AVD is below 100%, especially when this video is only 30 seconds long. That is really not good. And also looking at this chart, we can see that there are different parts where there are certain drop-offs and bigger parts of drop-offs, which means that I can go in my editor, take a look at these periods and see whether it is something with the clips or whether it is something with the edit that he has done wrong or the script from myself. So at least there are some lessons that we can learn from this first video in that new style. I've just checked the YouTube studio for the first time this morning, and the video is cooking, and overnight it has gone up to over 108,000 views, and the video is gaining some serious momentum, and the chart is just going up. And on top of that, the video has some pretty good stats, so because of that, I'm pretty confident that this video can start to blow up and get us some good views and hopefully help us revive this page. So the plan for today is to take a look at this video and see why it has done well, and then I'm going to go over another video idea with my editor so that we can post again tonight. But I'll check back in later today, because as long as this video doesn't hit a view gel and suddenly get no views, I'm pretty sure this video is going to start going crazy and hopefully get us some insane views. So fingers crossed that this video keeps up the momentum. Okay, so it's now the evening, and I said I would check back in, and as I called, that video has actually blown up and gone pretty crazy. So as you can see on screen, it's been about 24 hours since we've posted this video now, and it is currently sitting at 638,000 views. And both the swipe rate and AVD on this video are very good, and they are even improving a little bit. So I do think that this video is going to keep going and get us even more views. So that just goes to show how quickly you can regain traction on a page if you just make a few small tweaks. With that being said, this is just 600,000 views, and it hasn't taken us anywhere near to our goal of making over 5k per month with this page. So it's time for me to get back to work with my editor and cook up some more videos, but I'll be sure to check in if we have any other major updates. We've had a good few days on the channel, and that means that we have made some good money again on this channel. So I haven't been recording updates every day, and I actually didn't record an update on day 3, but we did post a video on day 3, and it has now blown up and gotten over 4.8 million views in just the last few days. But this video, along with the video that we posted on day 5 that got traction pretty much straight away, means that we've been able to get some serious motion on the page again, and we even hit a $300 day already on day 6, as you can see here on screen now. But the only issue is that we have started losing momentum again already. As you can see, the money and also the views are coming back down on this channel. But it's okay, because it is very normal for pages to get momentum and then maybe that momentum dies out quite quickly. All we need to do is just cook up some more bangers and we'll be totally fine. We're almost halfway through the challenge now, and things are not going so well. Pretty much all of our videos have stopped getting momentum, and our views are down by a lot. We've gone from hitting $300 days to literally hitting $7 days in the space of a week. That's what happens when you start posting to a dead channel that doesn't have a catalog of videos that are all getting views to keep your number relatively steady. And this is just because I hit that $300 day simply because of 2 videos, and now that both of those videos have lost their momentum and they've sort of hit their peak, that means that, yeah, we have no other videos supplementing that income, and therefore we're basically making no money with the channel again. So all we need to do is keep posting and build that consistent flow of videos and views. And then at the same time, we just need to take a look at a few potential ideas that can then help get the channel back on the right path, which is basically what we have been doing and what I've told you guys throughout the whole video. So I will see you guys in the next update. Okay, so we are now 19 days into the challenge and we have made a grand total of $1,291, which while not bad, it is still nowhere near hitting our goal of taking this page to a 5k month. And to make matters even worse, if we look at the chart, as we can see, most of that money was made in the first week, and since then things have slowed down a lot. So it's pretty safe to say that things are not looking so good right now. But it's okay, because even though we only have 11 days left to make that 4k, we know that all it takes is for 2 videos to go viral and get a couple million views, and that would put us right back on track. So there is still some hope. However, it is pretty clear that there are some changes that need to be made if we are actually going to get close to our goal. So before, we were trying a lot of new ideas on the page that maybe weren't necessarily proven to go viral in our niche. But now as we are struggling and there's this new style of video that's doing well in our niche, we're going to go ahead and try a new strategy of taking some of our old videos and then just basically changing them into this new style and hoping that they can go viral, because they've been proven to go viral in the past when the editing style and yeah, just the quality was a little bit lower on the page. So if we come over to my laptop, as we can see, we have this video here, which obviously was posted a while ago, but this video has gotten us 10.9 million views and it has made us $2.2 thousand. But obviously, as we can now see with pretty much all shorts videos, it has pretty much stopped gaining any views and it is obviously flatlined and it is now making us no more money. So this is a video that I'm actually going to send to my editor and he is going to remake it in a new style with a few small tweaks. Now this has worked for me multiple times in the past, so hopefully it can work again. Okay, so I actually have a good update again. Over the past week, we've started to see some good progress again. And to be honest, this couldn't have come at a better time for the challenge. So some of the old videos that we remade actually started to do well and go viral again, meaning that we managed to hit a 1.8 million viewed day on the channel. And that managed to make us over $300 in a day again, which now brings us to a total of $1,869. And funnily enough, that video that I mentioned that we were actually going to remake, we did remake, and it has gotten 1.1 million views in the first 2 days. This proves once again that remaking old videos can work really well, especially if you make adjustments to make them fit the current algorithm and formats that are working on YouTube. So don't be afraid to remake your old viral videos or other people's old viral videos for that matter. Just make sure that when you are doing this, you are conscious of making some changes and some adjustments to make them fit what is actually working on YouTube right now. However, with just 4 days left in the challenge, we would need to make over $750 per day on the channel to achieve our goal, which is going to be pretty difficult. But if we keep the momentum up, there is a small chance that we can still achieve our goal. So stick around, because these next few days are going to be make or break. Okay, so we now have the results from the final few days of this challenge, and it's time to find out whether we actually achieved our goal of taking this page from basically $0 a month to $5,000 in a single month. So we're going to go day by day for the revenue. So if we come over to my laptop, as we can see where we finished off on day 6, we had a $318 day. And then we unfortunately had a $46 day. And yeah, that is just simply because videos stopped getting momentum on this day. And on day 8, we had a slightly better day at $95. But yeah, still obviously nowhere near where we needed to be to actually go ahead and complete this challenge in the last 4 days. Now, with that being said, on these 2 days, we actually ran into some issues and yeah, we weren't able to get any videos uploaded. That was just simply because me and the editor didn't pre-plan and have any bulk videos made up. And yeah, because of that, the editor had some things come up and we had some issues. So it's a little bit annoying we couldn't give this last little bit of a challenge that big push that we needed. But with that being said, on day 29, we once again had a bit of an improvement and we made $130. And then finally, we have day 30. Now, to reach the goal, we would have needed day 30 to have been an absolute monster of a day and made us about $3,000. But to see if we actually completed this challenge, on day 30, we made a grand total of $442, which is very good. But yeah, obviously isn't that $3,000 that we would have needed to complete the challenge. But with that being said, this is actually the highest earning day of this challenge, and we genuinely have a few videos gaining momentum on the channel now, which is a great sign. And if we say had another week extended onto this challenge, I'm pretty sure that we could get this dashboard to say 5k. So yeah, although we didn't complete the challenge as we only made 2.5k, I would still say this challenge was pretty successful, as we took this page from making less than $100 in a month to making over 2.5k in a month in literally the space of a month. And I definitely think we can be, and we probably will be hitting 5k months on this page very soon. Okay, so it's now been a few months since I last recorded that challenge, but I just wanted to come in and show you guys where the page is at now since this revival challenge that obviously we were doing for this page. Okay, so if we come over to my laptop, as you can see from the revenue tab on this page, we have been doing pretty decent. So we started the challenge around midway through January, and yeah, as you can see, that has obviously been our lowest month. And then as soon as we finished the challenge, page started going crazy. So as you can see, we actually finished February doing 6.1k, and then we did 5k on the page, and then 4k, and then last month was a slightly lower month at 2.3k, but already this month with about 10 days left to go of revenue, we're at 2.4k. And yeah, we've had some really good days recently, hitting a $680 day on the channel. So yeah, that's just a little update for you guys with the page. And even though I'd say we didn't complete the challenge, I would say overall we did actually revive this page, as yeah, it's pretty consistently doing around 5k a month now, bar last month. But yeah, it's been a little while since I've done a challenge video like one of these, and I hope you guys did enjoy it. And if you did, then be sure to drop a comment letting me know why you enjoyed it, and also if you want me to do more challenges like these. And if you have any ideas for challenges too, that would also be very helpful. Now, if you did enjoy this video and you do want to see another video like this, then you click on this video on screen here, where I actually challenged myself to grow a YouTube Shorts page. And in that video, I actually managed to take the channel from 0 subscribers all the way up to 150,000 subscribers in just 150 days. Apart from that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.